Hey YouTube, I'm back. Hit pause. We're utilizing Green Dragon and Dynachem Sealer multi-surface. You could use this on fabric, carpet, rugs, upholstery, tile, you name it. It's a really great upseller. Very affordable. There's a lot of them just like it that are much more expensive. This one's been around the longest, and Dynachem produces it themselves. They got their own chemists. This here I made myself. Powered by the Gen 2 90 PSI internal. There is a little valve on the hose. It's 1/4. It's an air hose. I'm pre-spraying Green Dragon here. In that 1 gallon jug, I just poured one shot, 1 ounce of Green Dragon. That's all you need. That's all I needed for this job. The shot back there is around 225 CFM. Overkill. It has 2 vac motors. All you need is to flip one switch. There's 2. So this is what we're utilizing. It's called The Storm by Mercury. Search up those keywords and then put shot back at the end of it. Click search on your search browser. You'll find it. A lot of people sell it for different prices. When I got it, it was about 300 something. Now it's about 500 something. Why? I don't know. But I got mine about 2 years ago. And I have experience with it, with other competitive companies I used to work with. It's a really tough shot back. And I believe it holds 20 gallons. I believe, could be wrong. But this upholstery tool, I got it from Amazon, and look at the results it's leaving. You don't even need boiling hot water for this, although it would be nice. When I get the chance, I do like to get the hottest water from one's house and pour it in there in the 2.5 gallon jug. That's all you need. Look at the difference. Now, all this is very inexpensive because you're going to be utilizing it for everything. For spotting carpet, for cleaning tile, VLMing tile, as some might call it. Without a truck mount, you don't really need it as long as you got the proper chemicals, which I'm sure you already know, that are low residual. You got a wet shot back squeegee, and that's it. That's all you need. So with this upholstery tool, you could mess with the PSI as high as 90 PSI. 90 PSI is kind of like overkill, and I'm just utilizing it because this is outdoor fabric. You could crank it down on the little valve that I have on the hose there if you want, it spitting out lesser volume of water. That's all you need. See this? The shop vac comes with the black vacuum hose. It's a decent length, but the blue one you see attached to it, I got that one at a carpet supply out here. You could get it anywhere online. The reason why I put it on there is because it just makes life a million times better. You don't want to be pushing a shop vac around, dragging it. So having that hose length, I believe it was 13 feet of that vacuum hose extra that I added, and it's still strong. I mean, look at the results. I strongly recommend utilizing this if you're in the market for a spotting machine or anything of that kind. With this, you could do everything, and you're saving space in your van. And of course, it's time to protect the fabric. So here I go with my sprayer. All I got to do is just go over it. It's already dry. The sun dried it out completely. And you just spray it on there. And everything the mist touches, it then becomes hydrophobic. So when water touches it, of course, it beads up to the surface. That's what everybody wants. That's what this customer specifically requested. And this is what they got. A really great upselling technique. You could get a lot of money buying this. Trust me, you're going to get your money back tenfold. Feel free to press pause at any moment. I have close-up pictures of my equipment that was used in the video. If you want to buy it, search up keywords on Amazon, your web browser. You'll find it. You're going to love it. The custies love it. If you have any questions, again, drop a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer anything. Thank you for watching again, and have a great day.